When searching for a top-quality 50-gallon gas water heater that's worth the investment, you have to take several factors under consideration. Flow rate, energy factor, storage space, and durability are some of the critical factors to watch out for. In this detailed article, we'll provide insight about the best 50-gallon gas water heaters available on the market. We'll be discussing a few of the most top-quality gas water heater models that you could purchase today. You can also go through the comprehensive buyer's guide that points out some of the most important factors to consider when buying a gas water heater. What is the best 50-gallon gas water heater to buy? We highly recommend the A.O. Smith GPVL50 ProMax Power Vent Gas Water Heater, owing to its extremely high energy efficiency and the fact that it's very easy to install. What's more, it can easily provide ample hot water for a family of 5 or more people, and you don't have to worry about water running out too soon. And now, for the Freshness.com reviews of the 5 best 50-gallon gas water heaters, plus one to avoid. Coming in at number 1. The A.O. Smith GPVL50 ProMax Power Vent Gas Water Heater. Look no further than this particular model if you're seeking a powerful gas water heater. The A.O. Smith GPVL50 ProMax Power Vent Gas Water Heater is by far the best 50-gallon gas water heater. With a 0.02 uniform energy factor, the manufacturers have designed the heater for optimal efficiency, and it's Energy Star qualified as well. It also boasts a 50-gallon water tank and a 40,000 BTU burner. This heater has the ability to supply sufficient hot water for a family of greater than 5 individuals. It can generate enough hot water for 3 simultaneous showers or one 33-minute shower. This heater features a hot surface igniter instead of the regular standing pilot igniter. The former is considered more durable and dependable, and additionally, it lowers energy consumption as well. Furthermore, the heater comes with a 6-year limited warranty and features a special sensor that can detect the presence of flammable vapors and disable the burner automatically to prevent ignition. Another great thing about the heater is the rotatable blower outlet. You can effortlessly rotate this outlet to fit 3 positions, making the installation process much easier. Additionally, the heater has 2-inch thick foam insulation that is environmentally friendly and reduces heat loss. This leads to an overall boost in energy efficiency. The A.O. Smith GPVL50 ProMax Power Vent Gas Water Heater also includes a DynaClean 2 dip tube that serves to optimize inlet water pressure and minimize areas of cold water within the tank. Here's some pros. 1. Provides ample hot water. 2. Inlet and outlet heat traps ensure you don't waste energy. 3. Boasts a very fast recovery rate of 44.7 gallons per hour. And 4. 3-position outlet blower makes it easy to install the heater. Now here's some cons. 1. Generates some noise when exhaust fan kicks up. And 2. It's a little expensive. Coming in at number 2. The A.O. Smith XCR50 ProMax Plus High-Efficiency Gas Water Heater. This model is another great gas water heater. One of its standout features is the blue diamond glass coating, which is a universal industry standard glass lining. This cutting-edge coating technology safeguards the lining from corrosion, which can often reduce the lifespan of the gas heaters. Furthermore, this heater features the DynaClean diffuser dip tube that helps in lowering the amount of sediment and lime buildup that often occurs with the passage of time. This leads to a reduction or blockage in the water heater outflow from the gas water heater unit. Additionally, the A.O. Smith XCR50 ProMax is specially engineered for PEX cross-linked polymer that's long-lasting. Consequently, the heater supplies you with more heated water at each outlet. This makes it ideal for large families that require maximum heated water. The heater's internal microprocessor provides advanced operating parameters and accurate differentials for improved sensing and a quicker heating response. Moreover, this gas water heater fulfills all current NAECA or National Appliance Energy Conservation Act regulations. Here's some pros. 1. Water heater is cost-effective and highly efficient. 2. Enhanced technology systems. 3. Easy to install. And how about some cons? The initial cost is considerably high owing to its premium features. Coming in at number 3, the A.O. Smith GCR 50 LP ProMax Plus High-Efficiency Liquid Petroleum Gas Water Heater. The A.O. Smith GCR 50 LP ProMax Gas Water Heater is the one for you if you need a model that can provide long-lasting value and lowers your energy bills as well. Very similar to the A.O. Smith XCR 50 ProMax Gas Water Heater, the A.O. Smith GCR 50 LP ProMax has the blue diamond glass coating that offers enhanced corrosion resistance to glass lining. Furthermore, this heater has an electric gas valve that's self-powered that makes use of the thermopile to produce power. The power helps control the electronic gas control without needing power from an external source. Also, the A.O. Smith GCR 50 LP ProMax gas water heater's internal microprocessor provides users with tighter differentials and advanced operating parameters. This results in quicker heating response and accurate sensing. An additional advantage of buying this heater is that there are minimum sediment and lime buildup, courtesy of the DynaClean diffuser dip tube. Here are some pros. 1. Included microprocessor ensures very quick heating response. 2. Meets all of the NAECA standards and regulations. And 3. Glass coating provides superior glass coating. How about some cons? 1. Fire hazard or damage might occur if you don't use this water heater properly. Looking to learn more about the best 50-gallon gas water heater in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, the A.O. Smith GCG 50 ProMax Tall Gas Water Heater. The A.O. Smith GCG 50 ProMax Tall Gas Water Heater surely deserves a place in any list that compiles the best 50-gallon water heaters. Similar to both the A.O. Smith GCR 50 LP ProMax gas water heater and the A.O. Smith XCR 50 ProMax heater, this model features a blue diamond glass coating that provides splendid resistance to corrosion thanks to its glass lining. Furthermore, this model also has an internal microprocessor that offers tighter differentials and advanced operating parameters for quicker heating response and accurate sensing. Additionally, this heater includes an electronic gas control that incorporates an LED status indicator. This indicator monitors service diagnostic and system operation. Moreover, the heater's anode rods feature a stainless steel core that prolongs the life of the anode rod. That allows better tank protection for considerably longer than regular anode rods. Here are some pros. 1. Lower sediments and lime, and that assists in providing maximum hot water. 2. Fulfills the NAECA's regulations and standards. And 3. Perfect for households with high demand for hot water. And here's the con: not the power vent water heater. And now, coming in at number 5, the Westinghouse WGR050NG076 97% high-efficiency gas water heater with natural gas. Westinghouse is a highly reputed company well known for producing highly efficient gas water heaters using the most cutting-edge technology. The Westinghouse WGR050NG076 model is one of the 50-gallon gas water heaters that manufacturers have built as a tank type, which makes use of condensing technology. This heater's unique design allows it to generate hot water with an incredible 97% energy efficiency. This makes it eligible for rebates and Energy Star compliance. Moreover, the stainless steel finish of this heater provides a very aesthetically appealing look while ensuring that the unit has a long life. Furthermore, the heat exchanger and the stainless steel tank also make the Westinghouse heater resistant to corrosion and maintenance-free. This is one of the most innovative 50-gallon water heaters on the market. By providing advanced electronics for easy diagnostics, control, and troubleshooting, the Westinghouse WGR050NG076 gas water heater model is among the most inventive 50-gallon heaters available. You can also select an Eco mode by controlling the temperature from the heater's LCD display. The Eco setting allows the heater to utilize a minimal amount of fuel, which saves costs and energy. Although this water heater is powered by gas, a great thing about it is that it releases limited nitrogen oxide emissions. Thanks to its 2-inch thick insulation, the tank stocks heat and prevents heat loss by using less energy. It comes fitted with a combustion control system that keeps nitrogen oxide levels as low as possible. Now for some pros. 1. Flexible installation and lightweight. 2. Stainless steel design ensures long-lasting operation. And 3. The LCD display is easy to use. Now for a couple of cons. 1. Occasional ignition issues. And 2. Considerably loud. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite 50-gallon gas water heater. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now, for the Freshness.com 50-gallon gas water heater to avoid. The A.O. Smith GDHE50NG Residential Natural Gas Water Heater. The A.O. Smith GDHE50NG natural gas water heater is definitely one of the least reliable 50-gallon gas water heaters on the market. Sure, many users consider it to be a novel gas-powered unit, and manufacturers recommend it for highly demanding applications. But overall, this heater doesn't provide sufficient bang for its buck. It would be in your best interest to purchase any other gas water heater, particularly the aforementioned models. Despite the fact that this A.O. Smith model has several cons, it has a few redeeming qualities. For instance, the 129 gallons per water first hour rating and high water flow provide enough hot water to run 3 or 4 showers simultaneously. Moreover, this model features a spiral heat exchanger that boosts efficiency and enhances heat transfers. However, all things considered, it would just be best to steer clear of the A.O. Smith GDHE50NG natural gas water heater, as its cons outweigh its pros. So here's the pros. 1. High energy efficiency, 96%. And 2. Heavy-duty anode rods allow for better tank protection. But here's the cons. 1. Short warranty and lifespan. 2. High upfront cost. 3. A tendency for the tank to rust quickly. 4. Installation is complex. And 5. Flame sensor and igniter needs to be replaced frequently. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best 50-gallon gas water heater. This article talks about a few of the best 50-gallon gas water heaters available in the market today. Make sure that before you purchase a gas water heater, understand the features, pros, and cons before deciding if the model you're considering aligns with your requirements. Furthermore, ensure that you take important factors under advisements, such as durability, flow rate, and energy factor prior to purchasing the perfect gas water heater for your RV, home, or office. Looking to learn more about the best 50-gallon gas water heaters in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, Please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite 50-gallon gas water heater. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh, weekly video updates.